Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I mentioned on my community tab post that I bought another knife, and here it is. This is the BPS Bushmate, I believe. And man, I tell you, right out of the box, which I probably should have done an unboxing, but I was pretty impressed by this knife. First of all, the sheath. Maybe I can roll this down and give you a better look. Let's see. So the sheath, to me, it's firing on all cylinders. First of all, it's got the dangler, which I really like. And it has a spot for Ferro Rod, which is right here. So if you're a follower of the 10 C's, this blade already covers 2 of those C's. Has a Ferro Rod, a good spine for striking it. And I'm not really sure what this loop here is for. I don't know if that's supposed to go around you, because it's attached to the sheath itself. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be a belt loop. I guess you can't see that, but anyway, I would just use a dangler, because the dangler is my preferred carry method, mostly because I got a gut that hangs out, so it's a little bit more comfortable to carry. One thing it doesn't come with, though, it doesn't come with these leather. These are just bootlaces. I walked into a chainsaw store, and behind the counter they had just they had a pin holding up, like, I don't know, a whole bunch of these, and I just bought 4 because I like them as lanyards, but I think they look good too. So they're not really like this on here. It's not a functioning lanyard. I just like the way it looks. So 4-inch blade with a 4-inch handle, and I have big hands, so you can see, it takes my full hand. So I don't have, there's no jimping, but with a small knife like this, you get your finger in the groove here. Right here, and you can just thumb it up if you're doing any carving tasks or you're making feathers or something, which I want to do some fire making with this. I just really like this because it's something that out of the box, I don't have to do anything. I don't have to do anything to it. I don't have to go buy a new sheath for it. I don't have to go buy a ferro rod for it. I don't have to figure out a way to attach it. It's all done. All you gotta do is throw it on my belt, and we're good to go. So, spot on. I need to go get some firewood though, and maybe we should go make a fire. Alright, anti-batoners might want to look away right now. Glove up for safety. Or more accurately, prevent slivers, which are annoying. See, in my opinion, that's about the biggest I would win a baton with this small blade. Nothing too crazy. Wood seems to be just kind of falling apart. So I just realized I never told you how much this knife cost. This, as it is, complete package, in my opinion, with the lanyard that I like, or with the dangler that I like, the ferro rod, everything minus the leather. This knife was $34.99 on Amazon. So, yeah, 35 bucks. And because I'm a Prime member, after all was said and done, after the taxes and whatnot, it ended up being like $38 and some change. So, less than $40 for this knife here. It was one of the reasons I bought it, because Scab had provided a link. So I hit the link, and I said, $34? Well, $34.99? What? Yeah, I'll buy that. So I went over and logged in immediately and added to the cart and paid for it, and now she's mine. So I'm gonna go back to cutting my firewood, which I'll do off camera. I might try to do some feather sticks, although I'm not good at it. I think this wood might be a little too dead for feathering, but I guess we'll find out. Or I'll try to, maybe I'll try to get look for another piece, better candidate for feathering, but which I suck at anyway, because I don't practice enough. So, alright, I'm just gonna be a little bit lazy and use some cotton. Oh, that fire pit feels super wet. I mean, I left here earlier today and doused it. This little come on. No accelerant on that cotton, it's just cotton. Man, well damn it, I didn't bring any other accelerant with me. Unless I have something in the car. Alright, so in the car I had some Carmex lip balm. Should be a nice coal extender. I didn't even burn all the way. Well, there you go. That's the BPS Knives Bushmate, or BPS Bushmates, or Bushmate, excuse me. Not a bad little knife. I mean, is it perfect? No, but you know, I think perfection could be argued over any blade, I think. But I sure like it. Not bad for 40 bucks, and special thanks to Carbs for helping me get my fire going. It's just little lip balm stuff. So anyway, I do appreciate you watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. Yay, nay. If you think about getting one, it's on your wish list, whatever. And gotta let my fire build up so I can let it burn down a little bit so I can get lunch going. So appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. See ya. Oh, don't forget to check the links, description box for links. And I'll link Scab's channel as well if you're not already subbed. Alright, see ya.